Colchester Machine Tools has been going for over 100 years, and with milling and turning capabilities, that means they've got to hold a lot of stock. Keith, we've been talking about the brand new Tornado and Storm machines, but with that comes stock. So how much are you holding here right now?
Yeah, we're trying to hold as much stock as we can. There's so many different variants, but pretty much across the range, apart from the very large ones, yeah, we've got some good stock availability for us.
So when somebody orders a new machine from you, what's the turnaround time like?
Normally we would say, 2 to 4 weeks, something like that, depending on the level of complexity of what we've got to do during a PDI. So yeah, around that, a couple of weeks we can normally get stuff to them.
In the engineering world, jobs crop up here, there and everywhere. So if I get an order tomorrow, I need a machine tomorrow. How quickly can you turn it around?
Yeah, if we've got it in stock, twist my arm, as long as we can get the transport and you're ready for it, we could do something in a couple of days. We have done in the past, yeah.
Just a minute ago, you mentioned PDI, so pre-delivery inspection. What does that entail?
So it's everything, the operation of the machine basically. So CNC machines are run for 24 hours. We do all the checks on full movements, the full operational systems, safety checks, etc. Conventional machines, again, they're run up. Any options are added to the machines as well, such as steadies, fourth axis units, depending on the spec of the machine and what the customer requires. So yeah, fully checked before they leave the factory.
Throughout a machine's lifetime, there will be parts that needs to be replaced, right? And that goes for any machine in any industry. You hold spares here, don't you? How much of spares do you hold?
So we're still supporting machines that are 30 and 40 years old.
Really?
Yeah, so we've got roughly £4 to £4.5 million worth of spares covering the whole range of machines. The old Tornadoes, the old Colchesters, the old Harrisons. So yeah, we can pretty much support most machines.
Okay, so with that stock, have you got someone on the phone here?
Yep, so we've got a team, a spares team that look after that side of things. Part of our after sales support is we have a hot desk for both mechanical and electrical. So you can always get somebody on the phone there during office hours. We've got a network of engineers spread across the country that we can rely on. So yeah, we pretty much can look after all the population of machines that are out there. We've been going for a long time, so there's a lot of machines out there.